What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today we got our big cat back on the lift again because we finally got some parts in from Italy. We finally got the arm with the hub for this correct Jaguar. So what's left to do is tear off the complete front again and install this hub. And we already noticed some damage right here on the ball joint. So we probably need to press that out and press a new one in as well. So we got our broken ball joint out of our new arm. So now it's time to nicely remove the hub from the wrong arm and also remove the ball joint from the wrong arm and then reinstall it in the correct arm. So we got the ball joint from the old arm in the new arm, and all that's left to do now is throw in the wheel hub. But before we can hook up our new control arm, we first need to remove this triangle because it's also very short. So we installed the control arm and the triangle up front. It was quite a hassle, but we got it done. Now we continue with the back. We still need to change out the ABS sensor in the rear. Okay guys, so it's finally sunny out. It's the next day. It's time to get this jack off the lift, roll her outside so we have all the space because we need to get the chair out. So we got the top open so we can easily access the chair, so we can remove the chair easily. Okay, so we got our seat out and we found some goodies underneath the chair. Some nice hot and warm McDonald's, some cigarettes, a bullet from a tiny gun though. We found money, so we are rich people. So what we're going to do now or in the coming days is also remove the passenger seat so we can give this interior a good clean. We need to change out the module for the seat belt. And we also need to install a new side airbag as well. Then we can send the chair out to the company that can sew her up and make her beautiful again. Okay guys, so we changed out the hub, we changed out the forearm, we changed out the bolt joint, we changed out some of the sensors as well. And this chair is ready to go to the interior detailer to get sewed up and be beautiful again. In the meantime, we can clean out the complete inside of this jack, make her brand new again. But we will do that in the next video. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down.